Hi, Jeannie here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a webinar invitation page with Divi. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of WordPress, and I'm going to go to Pages, Add New. And let's call this the name of the webinar. Okay, so I'm going to click on Use the Divi Builder. And from here, I'm going to choose a Divi layout for this webinar opt-in page. Okay, so I'm going to choose a pre-made layout, and let's go to Browse Layouts. Here we have all of the layouts, 269 as of today, and you can search by category, or I'll just click on one of these, and this isn't really the type of event that I'm looking for, so let me just search webinar and see what comes up. Maybe I'll uncheck this. Okay, so it didn't have any results for webinar as a keyword, so I could just search for a layout that I like. So this one is simple. Let me take webinar out. So this one, let's take a look at it. So it's got a pricing table, a shop page, a landing page, portfolio, full width, blog about us, about me. Okay, so I'll just look at this, and I don't really like full width. Let's go back to landing, project. Don't like maintenance mode. Not sure if I like that one either. Right sidebar, that one's too busy. So let's go back and look at other layouts. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the layout that I used for the sales page, and this is the online store layout, and I might just pick one of these. So we've got about, we've got landing, and we've got home. So I'm going to choose home for now. Let's use this layout. May take a little bit of time to load. Okay, so it's loaded the page, and I'm just going to view it in a new tab so I can get a feel for what this layout includes. And I'm going to scroll down because the opt-in is what I'm interested in the most over here. So email opt-in. Let's go in here, join our newsletter. So let's say register for the webinar. And then we'll call this register now. And let's give this opt-in to webinar. Give it a little label. So the check mark saves it, and then I'll go up and hit publish, and then I'll be able to see what's in this layout. Okay, so now I'm going to view the page. Here it is. And I don't necessarily want a lot of space for people to scroll down before they get to opt into the webinar, and this is pulling from some of my WooCommerce products. So this is the area that I'm going to work on. So I'm going to go back and let's edit this page. Okay, so I'm going to start eliminating some things. So this is the header area. This is the Divi store title. So let's edit this and put in my webinar title. So I'm just going to call this the title, and I like to paste as plain text so that things don't get messed up with the formatting. So there's that, and the button, let's see what we can edit here. We'll just say register now. Register. All right, let's go to save, and then I don't necessarily want products on my opt-in page, so I'm going to delete this row. And then about, I don't know if I want this in here either, so I'm going to delete that section. Featured would be featured products, and so I don't want that in there either. New arrivals, I'm going to keep that label in. And the button, I'm going to take out the products. And then this is where they opt in. And then the footer, I don't think I want the text and images, so I'm going to take this part out. And then I might keep this in, I'm not exactly sure. So I've cleaned this up a little bit. Let's hit update and we'll view the page again. Okay, so here is what it looks like now. And we could always add an anchor link to this. I don't know what it goes to by default. It just goes to the top of the page. So I might actually want to have this as the top of the page. I'm not exactly sure. So I'm going to keep this. I think I'm going to delete this. So you can just go back to editing the page, and when you have something that you're happy with, you can go ahead and test and integrate the opt-in with your email marketing system. So with any registration opt-in page, you're going to want to integrate. And so in this case, you would want the button to go either to an external integration or page that's hosted by your email marketing system or something like that. So I'm going to delete this bottom section here completely. And I'm going to keep on editing this until I have something that I like. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so that you don't miss the next video. Have a great day.